So this is Gib coming at you from Ripping the RC Live channel. Hey, we got the AXIAL deadbolt out here. I know nothing about crawling. I picked this thing up maybe a couple of 3 weeks ago, maybe something like that. I've been running it in the house, messing with it, picking up pointers, learning, watching YouTube, other YouTube channels, stuff like that. And I figured we're gonna come out here, take a hike, and take this thing for a little crawl here. Let's see what we can do. Like I said, brand new. I would have made an unboxing video, but I didn't know what I was really unboxing, to tell you the truth. It's all original. There's no upgrades to it or anything. Pretty simple stuff right there. Comes with some LED lights. It's all plastic links, brush motor, you know, it's all ready to run. So it's a pretty cool system. Like I said, don't know much about it, so we're just gonna take it for a little crawl. AXIAL deadbolts, SCX 24. Gonna take it for a little spin. Let's see if I can maneuver this thing without rolling it a few hundred times. It's a pretty cool little truck. I picked it up because I like the design. Old style body, little rollover cage. Kind of cool, you know. There's lots of places to take this thing. Literally, I picked it up because I didn't want to take it anywhere. It let me drive it indoors when there's nowhere to go, or weather's bad, or I'm working. I can make a little trail as I have. I'll pop in a few clips in there. And of course, this is a tiny vehicle, right? 1/24 scale. It's not really meant for, I guess, what do you call it? Trail walks or whatnot, trail crawls. But it is a pretty good little vehicle. Like I said, I have used it at the home. I've had it for 3 weeks, and I've probably charged that battery pack that came with it maybe about, I don't know, 30 times. I have been having fun with it. You hear everybody always talking about lines. And I'm guessing what they mean by lines is finding a good path to get through. but there's plenty of stuff to get around here. Try not to get too sideways, because I have noticed that getting sideways with this truck will tip it over. Like I said, there's no mods done onto it, so there's no wheelbase work. It's still got the same let's just say it's straight out of the box. I haven't done any upgrades, but it looks like it's got a chore ahead of it. This is a pretty good place to come. There we go. Might not be able to get it out of this one. Let's see if we can go this other way. Oh, look at that. Little deadbolt getting it done. Oh, now I did it. There you go, deadbolt. This is gonna do me in, not the car. Oh, turned it over again. Not much experience crawling, but here we are. Definitely different pace here. Oh, turn it over. There's I picked it up because there's so much upgrades for this thing. Just looking at what they had at that local hobby shop where I picked it up at, I was amazed. And of course, researching online, you can find all kinds of stuff on this. This is all kinds of loose gravel, so may not be doing too well out here, but there is a lot of good rock out here. I think I got hung up on a rock. I didn't notice. Thought I was just pushing dirt. Yeah, this first crawler on my video First crawler in my hand. But let's see. Some big rocks in there. Should we take it through there? I don't think we'll be able to get it out. Pretty amazing what these little trucks can do. And then with some upgrades, the little thing's gonna be a beast. We're gonna make him a beast. Oh, that was beastie. If that wasn't. Not too sure how much runtime I really got with one of these, because I only got one battery. I got what it came with. Of course, I wanted to see if it was something that I'd be interested in. Of course, I like the RC Live. It's fun to get into. Gets me outdoors, right? So that's always pretty cool, and I'm gonna say I am enjoying there we go. I am enjoying the this is cool, man. This is real cool. Pretty good spot. This is all straight up. have already been looking into upgrades, and I think tires are going to be one of the first things, and probably some wheels, of course, and we're going to make sure we're going to pick up something that's going to give us a little bit wider stance. That way we don't have that possibility for rollover, at least not that easy. Now don't get me wrong, because this little truck is pretty capable, but I think with a little bit higher stance, a little bit wider stance, we'd get a lot more out of the truck, performance wise. Oh, yep. Let's find a different line for this here. See if we can. There we go. That was nice. Mess around here for a bit. This looks like a great spot. If I can keep it off its lid, we should be okay. That's the line right there. Always a lot easier getting down than coming up, isn't it? Ah. Yeah, see, that's wide open, and I guess you could take it for a stroll, but you're gonna kill that battery pretty quick because you're having to hold it wide open, and even then it's still a slow walk. But this is something that takes a little bit of skill, and I should say a lot, probably. Some patience. And finding the right lines, right? That's definitely something that's needed. I don't know how much run time I have left. Like I said, I only got one battery on this thing, but I'm gonna see if we can take it all the way up and see how that works for us. I'm not too sure. This looks more like a little man-made thing. I think they're just trying to keep down erosion, so they put some chain link fence and packed it with rocks. But we're gonna go around left or right. I think we're gonna go right. And we're back up at the top. I think I'm about to kill this battery. And battery down.